They were trying to take his life. I started looking for someone that was trying to save his life.
Evelyn Kelly has spent the past 8 weeks
Chris, look at me.
at her son's bedside at Houston Methodist Hospital. She assumed that doctors were working to save his life until, she says, they gave her 10 days notice that they plan to stop his treatment. Her son has no insurance, but will be eligible for emergency Medicare.
They want to administer those comfort drugs that they call comfort care, and that he will pass within 3 to 4 minutes.
When 46-year-old Chris Dunn became sick 2 months ago, doctors found a large mass attached to his pancreas. His condition quickly became so serious he needed a breathing tube and to be fed intravenously. It's not known if he has cancer because Methodist doctors say Chris is too sick to live through a biopsy. But Chris was videotaped on December 2nd saying he wants the doctors to try to save him.
Good. Chris, we're trying to make sure the hospital continues giving you good care. Do you want to stay alive? You pray?
Yes, he's praying.
Okay.
Houston Methodist Hospital refused to talk with us on camera. Instead, it issued a statement saying, in part, "We are providing the best possible care to the patient, and we continue to care for him. We are working with the courts to get guidance on who has legal guardianship of the patient. The patient's family disagrees on appropriate end-of-life care for this patient. We feel strongly every decision we have made is in the best interest of the patient."
The hospital has utilized a provision of Texas Health and Safety Code, which allows them to form a nameless, faceless committee, which will make a decision on whether or not they have to continue providing treatment for Chris.
Chris knows what life-saving treatment is. His mother says he used to be an EMT. Then he was a deputy for Harris County Sheriff's Department. The organization Texas Right to Life says this is happening more and more and has joined the fight to save Chris's life.
This case is one of the more egregious ones where you actually have Chris begging for his life, praying for his life, and telling his attorneys, please help me and please save me.
Well, Kelly has gotten a court-ordered deadline extension and now has 2 weeks to work with to change Methodist's position on this or to do what is very, very difficult to do, find another hospital who will take on Chris's care. Live in the newsroom, Andrea Watkins, Fox 26 News.